everyone, it's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be inspired once again by the surrealist artist Rene Magritte, specifically looking at this artwork here, and we are going to be creating our own eyes. And I want you to think about the phrase, how the eye is the window to the soul. And this is kind of going to be a self-portrait project. I want you to be thinking about something maybe that you're passionate about, something that is in your soul. And we are today going to be drawing a realistic eye. And then rather than coloring the iris, which is the colored part of our eye, your eyes might be brown, blue, green. Instead, we are going to be drawing our passion or something that lives within our soul that we want to share with others. Once we draw and color that, then we're going to be using charcoal, one of my favorite art materials, to go ahead and add some details on our eyes, like the eyelashes and like the fold that happens when our eyes are open, when our eyelid, has to fold in on itself, some of our maybe wrinkles down here. So today I want you to grab a pencil, colored pencils, and then your charcoal as well. If you're someone who just can't stand charcoal, I totally get it. You can use a black colored pencil or a crayon as well. So today we are going to be making our windows to our soul, Rene Magritte inspired eye. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.